Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I review all kinds of bags ranging from Lululemon to Coach to Louis Vuitton. If you're interested in these types of videos, please consider subscribing. Today we have a double unboxing. I'm not sure how to pronounce this brand. I've heard some people say Strathberry and some say Strathberry. I'm gonna go with Strathberry. This is the first time I'm seeing a Strathberry bag in person, so I don't know what to expect. I've been seeing their ads on Instagram a lot lately and decided to give them a try to see how they compare to Polen, given that Polen just increased their prices. I want to see if Strathberry was comparable and would I consider this brand luxury. The two bags I have here are the Lana Osette in cashmere and one in caramel shearling. All right, let's do this. Okay, so here are the two boxes. I'm going to go with the right one first. So this one, the box is completely black, which is kind of nice. So this one is the Lana Osette shearling. All right, let's see how this looks. Care guide, look at that later. Okay, it comes in a dust bag. It's more like a tote, has handles. It's kind of nice. All right, here it is. It is smaller than I expected, but I knew it was going to be small, but I thought it would be a little bit more substantial. Okay. So the shearling is soft, but it's not as soft as I would have liked. Okay. Leather straps, it's not bad. Feels pretty good in the hands. Take a look at the hardware. Kind of very lightweight hardware. It's coated in gold, but I don't know what kind of metal it is. It's very light though. I usually like a little bit more substantial hardware than that. All right, so this interesting little metal bar here. All right, see if I figure out how to open this bag. I figure you just pull this. Okay, well, that works. Right, so it does come with the crossbody strap. So I guess that attaches to these rings on the sides here. Put this down, comes with somebody packed it. Okay, so the inside is black fabric. Kind of feels almost like micro suede, but not as soft. Some dust in here already, I guess, from all the papers and whatnot. So the black lining will show every single little thing, apparently. So I'm not a fan of that. Made in Spain. So this is made by the same artisans as Polen, I believe, in Ubric, Spain. So that's the bottom here. Oh, no feet. So if you set it down on anything, it's gonna catch. So I'm not sure if I'm totally a fan of this first one already, but we'll see how the second one is. Maybe I'll like the second one better. Okay, here's the second one. This is the Lana Osette in the cashmere fabric. So let's take a look. Another book, right? Same deal. This is a tote, kind of a dust bag, which is cute. I don't mind that. All right, here it is. So I went with this fabric because I don't know, I thought this was very interesting. Like I'd never seen anything with like a cashmere fabric for a bag. So I actually think I might like this one a little bit more than the shearling for sure. There's like a little purple thing here. This one actually has feet. Yay! See, I get excited when like bags have feet now. It's kind of ridiculous. Okay, let's see how this opens up. So this opening is, I'm not a huge fan. It does take a little bit of effort, but let's see if the inside is any different. Another strap. I do like this color a lot. This is like a really great neutral, and it has like some purpley brown edge coating here. I dig that. Hardware. Let's take a look at this hardware here. So it says Strathberry. It's kind of nice. It's gold, but again, it's very lightweight. It's kind of like flimsy, almost like plastic. Well, I don't think it's plastic, but it feels like it could be, you know. So this little toggle wiggle here, I'm not a fan of that. I like a very strong, sturdy hardware. Like this feels like it may unscrew and break or something. I mean, hopefully it won't if I keep this one. I like this one a lot more. So the stitching, pretty nice. Okay, so I'm just not a fan of this lightweight hardware here. It feels a little bit cheap. They could have done better with the hardware. Okay. Lining, same deal. It's kind of like this micro fabric, but seems like it's cleaner than the other one. So I'm assuming that this will require some maintenance. If you don't want to see the dust bunnies, you're going to have to take a lint roller and roll this every so often. Handles feels pretty good, same deal. So this is the cashmere. I like it. It feels soft, but it's still pretty sturdy. It has shape. Strathberry and this gold here on the side. I like that it's not too noticeable, the logo. It's pretty subtle, so it's not like super in your face, and I'm sure eventually it'll probably wear off too. Okay, I like this one a little bit more. Let's see how these look. Not bad. Stitching's pretty good. This one passes the test better than the shearling one, but I'll see. All right. Here are the two bags next to each other. So next week I will have a full review on both of these bags. So if you don't want to miss it, please subscribe to my channels and greatly appreciate it. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.